We just love our propane fire pit, and if you're considering one, we're going to give you some reasons why it might be time to go ahead and pull the trigger. So our fire pit's made by a company called Outland Firebowl, and it's model number 893 Deluxe, and we picked that one because it's relatively small and only has a 19-inch diameter.
So we've used our fire pit several times over the last few months and never had any issues with it. The model we bought come with a lid and a strap, and then we also purchased a carrying bag to keep it contained when we travel.
Now for the reasons why we really enjoy using this fire pit opposed to actually starting a fire. For one, with the quick to connect on the side of the trailer, I can hook it up and have a fire going within probably 5 minutes. And I'm probably going to lose my man card for this, but I'm really not too good at starting a fire, so you can ask her. So with that, I mean, it makes it really easy. And it comes with a regulated hose, so if you don't have a quick connect, you just hook it into a 20-pound propane tank and have it sitting there.
Yeah. The nice thing is your clothes don't smell. If you want to stop what you're doing and go take a shower, you can just turn it off, come back, hook it back on.
Yeah, and really at night before we go to bed, I let it sit for probably 15 minutes before I put the lid on and slide it underneath the camper, so it doesn't take that long to cool off. One other thing is, in places with fire bans, make sure you check your local regulations, but a lot of times a propane fire pit will be allowed where a typical campfire would not be.
So you can also cook on it. We have tried some of those hobo foil packs and those turned out pretty good. However, do not do the meatloaf or if you do, make sure you get some really good hamburgers so the grease doesn't get everywhere.
With low fat content.
We bought a kind of a grill that we just kind of put over it, and then the flames come up and you just lay it on that and flip them and that kind of thing. It turned out it tasted good. It just was, the meatloaf one was kind of a mess, so don't try it.
Yeah, it's one of those things. I think we definitely can make it work, but we're going to have to take some more practice with it.
Right. The one thing we also really enjoyed is a lot of times when we go camping, it's either been raining or it's damp and you can't find any firewood that isn't soaking wet. So we have found with this, it is just so convenient.
Yeah.
You just,
it's
up in no time. And
you don't have to buy firewood.
Yep.
All you're using is propane, and it really doesn't use much of that. I mean, we've gone through maybe a 20-pound propane canister within a season.
And that was also with using our cook stove.
That's everything they use propane, so that's not bad at all in my opinion.
Mine either.
Alright, so thanks for watching this video. At the time of this recording, these fire pits are actually kind of hard to come by, those and the accessories that go along with them. Amazon does have the step up from ours, which has the auto ignition feature for I think $112 right now, which isn't bad.
No.
I'll leave an affiliate link for that one down below in the video description. So anyway, if you found this video helpful at all, please give it a like below, and we will see you in the next one.